New Life restorations were called into a water damage situation in a Redlands 2-storey home. The solar hot water system located on the roof leaked through the roof tiling and into the attic void space. Due to the leaking, the water pulled in the ceiling and started leaking through the gyprock into the bedroom below. As a result, approximately 1 square metre of carpet and underlay that was underneath was Category 2 water affected. New Life technicians used a thermal imaging camera as well as a moisture meter to inspect the spread and severity of the water flow in the ceiling and flooring underneath. Once determined, the ceiling space was physically inspected and the water was drained out by poking a hole through the gyprock ceiling, which was collected by a bucket underneath. Lastly, considering the water spread, New Life technicians placed down 1 dehumidifier and 3 air movers to target both the carpet and the underlay, as well as the ceiling above. By placing air movers in the room, this helps bring the moisture into the air. The dehumidifier takes in the air, using refrigerant coils to drop the air to dew point. This extracts the water and expels it down a hose that should lead to a drain. The cooled air is then pushed through the condenser coils, which dries the air before it exits the machine. This effectively raises the heat of the air and therefore also raises the air's capacity to hold moisture. This increases moisture absorption from all surfaces in the closed room and the cycle begins again. This effectively dries the carpet, underlay and subfloor as well as the gyprock ceiling. Because of the drying process underneath, as well as the open and hot nature of the void space above the ceiling, the moisture will effectively dry without the need of drying equipment in the void space itself. Making sure all windows were closed, the equipment was left operating for 2 days. Afterwards, New Life technicians returned to inspect the ceiling and the floor of the bedroom using a moisture meter. The carpet, underlay, subfloor and gyprock ceiling were all reading within our drying goal limits and the equipment was removed. Lastly, due to the nature of the Category 2 water, the carpet was then given a quick vacuum, pre-spray and carpet clean to wash out and cleanse the carpet. If you have any questions or queries about water damage in your house or business, or need to rent any drying gear, please feel free to contact us. You can do this by visiting www.newliferestorations.com.au or calling 1300 356 633.